So this is the garden. See, these are the only 2 cashews left out of the 20 or so I bought. Elo's son started a fire in the dry season and killed the rest. So disappointed, but there's a lot of trees in here, a lot of mahoganies and malina and mango. So it's not. So we replanted it. That's fine. And I just wanted to show you the mahogany planted last year. There's only about 10 that survived out of the many that I bought, but it's all right. You can see how big they are now. If I didn't come, there wouldn't be any that survived. I came here and there was no protection around them. They were actually all eaten down. And I bought protection. I worked putting up the protection around them and planting many more while I was here. So you can see this is the Coos crop. This is Samba and Elo's field. They're 2 brothers. So in the video I'm going to post adjacent to this one. This is 2.5 months after that video, so you'll see the difference is dramatic. Now this is a sorghum crop here. It's like 10 feet tall. And that's a tap. And that's a bogal. Jarang.